click the bell icon and never miss another update from Bollywood Spy.
Shah Rukh, seriously, how do you do this? How do you make us fall in love with you all the time?
Actually, if the girl is as beautiful as Anushka, it becomes very easy. So, my job is easy. I just have to look at her face, and I feel lots of love, and that's how it's out like this.
Hi, Shah Rukh. Shah Rukh over here. Hi, this is Sohail on your right पे.
हाँ, Sohail.
यहाँ.
Sorry.
Hi. बारिश हो गई और मौसम रोमांटिक हो गया.
अब हम छत खोल ही देते हैं यार. मेरा बहुत दिल था ये गाना एक्चुअली बारिश में लॉन्च करें.
Oh, great.
Everybody should get wet, so माशाल्लाह.
Yeah, Shah Rukh, you are known as a king of romance. और ये गाना भी एकदम ही रोमांटिक है, very touchy है. How special was this song for you, and what was the experience actually?
Actually, मैं बहुत fortunate हूँ सुहेल. जब भी डायरेक्टर्स और म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर्स मेरे लिए गाना करते हैं तो उनके दिल में कोई एक आई थिंक कुछ रेपुटेशन सी बस गई है कि मेरे गाने अच्छे हैं, जो ऑब्वियसली मेरी वजह से बिल्कुल नहीं है. सो दे ऑलवेज वर्क, आई वोंट से हार्डर, आई थिंक एवरीबडी वर्क्स वेरी हार्ड, बट आई थिंक दे जस्ट हैव अ स्पेशल प्लेस इन देयर हार्ट फॉर सॉन्ग्स फॉर मी. सो आई रिमेंबर ये गाना हमने आखिर में किया और जब भी इम्तियाज़ ने दादा से बोला तो दादा ने यही बोला, आप फिक्र मत करो, ये गाना तो मैं कर लूँगा. So I think it's just come out of love. As we speak also, we are still doing this song for the film. अभी भी चल रहा है इस पे काम. But I think I'm just very fortunate that the music directors, the writers, the director himself, they really look at me with lot of love when a love song comes. And like I was telling, जो मेरे सामने जो मेरी महबूबा हैं, जिनसे मैं प्यार करने लगता हूँ फिल्म में, वो इतनी खूबसूरत हैं कि बाकी काम बहुत आसान हो जाता है. Just to express a song like this, so well written and so well choreographed and thought of.
I'm Khushbu from Stardust.
Say your name again, darling.
Khushbu Tiwari from Stardust.
Khushbu.
Yeah.
Closer to the.
So I wanted to ask you, can you? Is it audible?
थोड़ा सा ऊंचा बोलो खुशबू.
Yeah. So I was asking, how do you relate yourself to Harinder the character?
Actually, इम्तियाज़ ने जब ये कैरेक्टर लिखा था, I think normally directors अपनी ज़िंदगी में से कुछ हिस्से एक्सपीरियंसेस या सोच या समझ निकाल कर कैरेक्टर लिखते हैं. और मैंने पहले भी बोला है एंड आई विल से इट अगेन, आई थिंक इम्तियाज़ जो हैं कोई भी स्टोरी एक लड़की के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ज़्यादा सोचते हैं. व्हाट अ गर्ल वुड फील एंड व्हाट वुड अ गर्ल लाइक अ कैरेक्टर और एन एक्टर और अ मैन टू बी लाइक. एंड आई काइंड ऑफ मैं उससे इस बात में बहुत हाउ डू आई से, आई काइंड ऑफ एग्री विद हिम इमोशनली. सो देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ अस in different ways, not necessarily the experiences that Imtiaz has had and I have had are similar, but somewhere there's a lot of us in Harry. और बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो हम बात करते वक्त समझ भी जाते थे बोलते वक्त कि यार हमारे साथ ऐसा हुआ है ना अलग अलग जगहों पे. So I relate to it a lot. Obviously, you know, when you play a character, the space is different, the setting is different. Maybe we've not been there, but somewhere the feelings are quite familiar to me also, as Shah Rukh and as Harinder.
Thank you.
Hi Shah Rukh, over here, Himesh here. Towards your, yeah. Hi.
I wanted to ask, I think everyone over here liked the, sorry for my voice. I think everyone over here liked the song a lot. What do you think about the movie? Is it going to be that, is it going to match the song or is it going to be even better? What do you think, any of y'all?
It's a nice question, Josh.
Thank you. All three of them.
This is okay. See, I'll tell you honestly. मैंने कल देखी है फिल्म, अनुष्का ने भी देखी है, इम्तियाज़ हर रोज़ देख रहे हैं. I think most of the team here has seen it. You actually, when you reach this stage of filmmaking, because we are all so involved in it, I think Anushka not only as an actor, as a friend, also somewhere at the back of her head being a producer herself, Dada, because day and night we are sitting there. Imtiaz of course has to be the most involved and he is round the clock. I think you lose objectivity, you know, when you're so close to it. So it's like your baby. I mean, if you ask me, is Abraham more beautiful than we think he is? I'd say yes, but that is a bias, and that's how we all believe about the film right now. It's our baby. It is more beautiful than anything in the world, and God forbid, if it is not as beautiful, it will be even dearer to us because we love it so much. So for us to be able to say it openly, मैं मार्केट के अंदर आके बोलना शुरू करूँ सुपर हिट पिक्चर है, मिलिट्री बुलानी पड़ेगी, पागल हो जाएंगे लोग, एडवांस ये है. I don't know. I hope all that happens. I really wish, because we're all into the business also. I really hope to God. And I really pray. It's a very simple love story. I hope a lot of people like it. That's the bottom line all of us want. So I don't know if it is better than what it's looking like or it is worse. It's a nice film. Yeah. Just like I said, bring your heart along. You love it.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hi Shah Rukh, this is Mini from India Today. Wonderful song.
You'll say your name again, please.
Mini
Hi,
from
Mini.
India
Hi.
Today. Wonderful song, firstly. And since it's a love story again, people love to see you in that avatar. We have always been loving you in this genre. And I'm sure all the wives and girlfriends out there would be asking their husbands and boyfriends to learn from you. But on the contrary, we have repeatedly heard you saying that you are not so fond of this genre and you really don't like love stories. So do you think somewhere this image of yours pose as a biggest strength and it acts in your favor and things never go wrong with this love
controversial
story?
बात बोलूं. I love making love. I don't like watching it. अच्छा है ना ये? हाँ कि मुझे making love is happier than just watching it. तो मैं देखता नहीं हूँ, मैं करता हूँ.
But then do you think it always acts in your favor? It never goes wrong, and probably with Harry Met Sejal too.
तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है, करने दो ना मेरे फेवर में. अच्छा ही है ना अगर लोग प्यार कर रहे हैं. बट जेन्युइनली मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, इट्स नॉट कि आई डोंट लाइक लव स्टोरीज. आई थिंक थोड़ा मिस इंटरप्रेट है. इट्स जस्ट दैट द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन आई एम, आई एंजॉय कॉमेडी मोर बिकॉज आई वुड लाइक टू बिलीव आई एम अ बॉय. तो मुझे एक्शन बहुत अच्छा लगता है. लव स्टोरीज भी बहुत अच्छी लगती है. एंड आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ देम बिकॉज ऑफ माई डॉटर नाउ. ऑल ऑफ देम. वो क्या है, 21 days, 27 ड्रेसेस, 13, सब चीज़ें देख चुका हूँ मैं. और मुझे बहुत खूबसूरत लगती हैं. एंड I'll just tell you a moment. मैं यही गाना कर रहा था. एंड फॉर मी द मोस्ट टचिंग मोमेंट ऑफ द फिल्म इज़ कि मैं कर रहा था तो इम्तियाज़ ने कट नहीं कहा. एंड आफ्टर आई फिनिश सिंगिंग एज मच एज आई रिमेंबर, जस्ट लाइक दादा, द लिरिक्स एज मेनी एज आई कुड रिमेंबर, इम्तियाज़ केम एंड शुक माई हैंड एंड ही सेड, यू नो, इट्स रियली नाइस. आप अभी भी प्यार वैसा ही करते हो जैसे आपने शुरुआत की थी. इट्स रियली नाइस टू सी यू लाइक दैट. I feel these things. I genuinely do. It's not that I'm acting it out. Of course, I feel being bad also in movies. I feel being other scenes also. But I guess something just works in this. By some chance, some of the films that I've done, which have been love stories, have done so well, and people have loved them for so many years. I think एक ऐसा माहौल सा बन गया है. I like it. I love doing love stories. मुझसे उस दिन हम जब फिल्म शूट कर रहे थे, अनुपमा चोपड़ा ने पूछा था कि आप again lover बन रहे हो. I'm no longer a lover. I am love. I genuinely feel that. In a good way. I'm not being pompous. I am love. I feel it. I understand. I like to analyze it. I like to sense it. And somehow that comes through, I guess, in the movies. And I'm very fortunate that you have a director like Imtiaz. You have an actress like, because I'm very shy. So if you have a friend like Anushka with you, it helps open up. You have music directors and composers who are giving it so much more than I can perhaps bring to the table. So it's a fortunate effort of my team. I think they also like making love. They just don't say it.
I'm sure we all too.
Hi Shahrukh.
Shahrukh bhai, towards your left यहाँ पे. Shahrukh bhai, what is the news for the Diplo news? उसका क्या news है? I mean, when it's going to
Sorry?
The Diplo song जो आने वाला है. What's the news about that?
Dada and him have collaborated. मैं LA में था, मैं सुनकर आया और I think it's just been given its final touches now. अभी वो हो गया है, तो Dada will tell you about it. And the song comes in a place which is, I don't know if I'm saying the right word, but coming of age, feeling of freedom. As a matter of fact, the direction that Imtiaz had given us during the song, it's basically a song about Anushka's character flying free, coming of age, realizing that there is more to life than she has experienced. And it's like a flight she takes off. हमको बार बार इम्तियाज़ बोलते थे, it's like बेहोशी का आलम, मदहोश हो जाए जब आदमी. So I think that's what it kind of signifies in the film. And phurr is, phurr, I think उड़ने को बोलते हैं, हवा में phurr हो जाता है. So she's flying. बहुत बहुत interesting गाना है. और मैंने छोटा सा वीडियो के अंदर पार्ट भी करके आया हूँ, ये वाली स्टेप. ऐसा बड़ा कूल स्टेप करके आया हूँ मैं, ऐसा करके वहाँ पे.
Hi Shahrukh, to your right. Here, Neha from Bollywood now. Here.
Hi.
अच्छा, किसी ने अभी कहा कि girls want a boyfriend like Shahrukh. बीवियाँ ऐसे बोलती है आप शाहरुख जैसे रोमांटिक क्यों नहीं हो, कभी गौरी ने आपसे कुछ कहा है कि आप अनरोमांटिक हो? हाउ आर यू रोमांटिक हस्बैंड?
यार मैं ठीक ठाक हूँ, आई थिंक मेरा सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर अच्छा है अभी। मैं बड़ा शाय हूँ यार ये बातें करने के लिए, बट आई थिंक आई एम गुड कंपनी। आई एम गुड कंपनी। आई थिंक आई कैन मेक यू स्माइल, मेक यू लाफ, लिसन टू व्हाट यू से। आई थिंक कैसे बोले यार, या आई एम गुड।
हाय प्रीतम। प्रीतम
अरे मुझको शर्मिंदा मत करो यार तुम प्लीज, मैं बड़ा शाय हो जाऊंगा मैं। नहीं ऐसा कभी भी नहीं हुआ है। वो बस एक बार जब बाजीगर में मैंने छत से लड़की को फेंका था, उसके बाद उसने अपना मुंह नहीं खोला। ये जोक है प्लीज, हाँ इसको रॉन्ग मत लीजिएगा। हाँ जो भी
शाहरुख सर ऑन योर राइट।
मैंने उसको बोला मैं अपने रोल्स बड़ा फीलिंग से करता हूँ। ये ऐसे ही जोक है प्लीज, हाँ कोई भी बुरा नहीं मानना इसको प्लीज, बिल्कुल जोक है, प्योर जोक, #joke.
Shahrukh, also just continuing, did you miss the quintessential stretching of arms pose in the film? Because we have seen it film by film that you do it.
I think just in its oversimplification, you know, it's a thing now. As a matter of fact, I would myself play to the galleries when I'm supposed to do that. It's not something I do because that makes me or breaks me. You know, I've done it in a few films, and it's become a thing. You know, it becomes like a mannerism of an actor. If I'm told in a film, actually no director ever tells me ऐसा नहीं करना, because they know मैं ऐसा नहीं हूँ कि छूटते ही हाथ फैला देता हूँ। मतलब क्या सेट पे आती हाय एक्शन, ऐसा तो ना है। मतलब so मैं ऐसा करता नहीं हूँ। कभी कभार मजाक में, या जैसे फारा हैं डायरेक्ट कर रही हैं, शाह we'll do that. As a joke, we sometimes say, okay, we'll do it in the film, and you know, it's been a long time. I think if a character of Rais is not meant to do it, I'm not going to break out into it. I think given the parameters of commercial cinema that I act in, I still try to retain the characterization as strongly as I can, knowing the fact that the star sometimes overrules the character. But in my heart, I'm still an actor, however small, minuscule, or unimportant part as an actor in a film. So I don't give vent to कि मैं ये करूँगा, अभी वो ज़रूरी नहीं होता। फैन के अंदर it is meant to be, is a fan of the motive of a star called Aryan Khanna, who's perhaps Shah Rukh Khan, but not necessarily in every film यार। ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरे को हाथ बांध के रखने पड़ते हैं कि हाथ बांधे रखो वरना खोल देगा, ऐसा नहीं है।
Shahrukh sir on your right, sir. Shahrukh sir on your right. This is Sonal from Midday. So on your right. Yeah. Hi. Sir, actually you became a guest editor for one of our sections called The Guide, you know, and it was received really well. So how was the feeling like to be one of us, you know, to become an editor for a day and, you know, do what we do day in and day out?
It was very nice here. Of course your team helped me a lot, और बहुत मज़ा आया। मिड-डे का मैं टूर गाइड बना। हालांकि मेरे को मुंबई के बारे में इतनी जगह नहीं मालूम है। इम्तियाज़ और अनुष्का के साथ करो तो और भी अच्छी जगह बता सकते हैं। And to be very frank, I have done a journalism course in my mass comm. तो ऐसा नहीं है मैं बिल्कुल वंचित हूँ from understanding mass communication and the job that you do. I have a huge amount of respect for it, and I say this from the bottom of my heart. I know sometimes we have to do things that we also personally don't like, but we all have to sell an idea, we have to sell a dream. So I really enjoyed it here. I wish I could do it. I used to write for a newspaper also for a bit. And I'd like to do it once again, but I take time writing. But it was really good being a journalist for an evening.
शाहरुख सर, शाहरुख आपसे सवाल है कि सलमान ने हाल ही में शूट किया आपकी फिल्म के सॉन्ग को, कितना स्पेशल है सॉन्ग? आनंद एल राय की फिल्म के लिए सलमान ने शूट किया, कितना स्पेशल है सॉन्ग? क्या पार्ट होने वाला सॉन्ग है या स्पेशल अपीयरेंस है जैसे आपने ट्यूबलाइट में किया?
नहीं, उससे लंबा पोर्शन है, और सलमान खान ही है फिल्म में। अभी उससे ज़्यादा अभी तो बहुत दिन है यार, साल है पिक्चर को, बट बहुत स्पेशल है और बहुत दिल से हुआ है, बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत खुशी मिली है।
Thank you.
Okay,
one last question.
I have a question to Anushka and Shahrukh sir both.
You know, both of you have worked with directors like Yash Chopra, Aditya Chopra and Karan Johar who have different language to romance. Taking that question forward, you know, when you see a Yash Chopra or any of their films, it's a love story you want to have. You know, it's an aspirational love story. Whereas Imtiaz's is one which people normally have. You know, people meet on trips and they fall in love. Do you agree with this kind of a love story than the quintessential love story, which is a little larger than life also?
I think each one of them, you're right. I think we are both very fortunate to have worked with Yash ji, Karan Johar, Adi, and then Imtiaz. And they all have a very huge bent towards romance and love and relationships more than anything else. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है जो difference मैंने पहले भी बोला, एक तो जो essence है तीनों का वो चारों का same है. But I think what is different with Imtiaz is कि you are watching two people interact without having too many spikes in the story, without having too many obstacle and exterior plot points. And कहीं पर मैंने आज ही इम्तियाज़ को बोला ये जो characters हैं दिल में घर कर जाते हैं. They make a home in your house. I think it's very simple things, very normal moments. लोग बोलते हैं इम्तियाज़ की picture moments के बारे में है, moments के बारे में है. I didn't understand it till I worked with him. That is just very easy viewing, and suddenly you realize you are liking these people as much as they're liking and loving each other. So they slowly seep into your heart without obtrusively telling you a plot point or a story or कि ये दुनिया से झगड़ा करना है. उनका झगड़ा और उनका लगाव दोनों अंदरूनी है. So I find that very different. As far as the essence is concerned, I think Yash ji, of course, and Adi, Karan, Imtiaz, and every other romantic filmmaker or people who believe in relationship films does it with a lot of depth and the same essence of love being the most beautiful feeling.